In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Crunchyroll API 403 error on app. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, you want to log out and log back in. For that, go ahead and tap on the account icon at the bottom of your screen. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the logout option. Then you want to enter your credentials and log back in. Now check if your issue is fixed. Next, you want to clear the app cache. For that, tap and hold on the Crunchyroll app. Now tap on this app info icon, which should directly take you to settings. Here, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache, then head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Once that is done, open Crunchyroll and check if your issue is fixed. If not, you simply want to reinstall the app. For that, tap and hold on the Crunchyroll icon and then tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Now open Play Store or App Store. Here, tap on the search bar and search for Crunchyroll. Tap on the install option and install this application on your device again. Now check. You also want to check for server or account issues. If the error still appears, it might be a server outage. For that, you simply want to wait and try again later. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.